Hello students, welcome back to English class. Today you are going to learn about tenses. So what is a tense? Okay, so let's know what is a tense and what is it used for. Tenses are used to show the time of an action, whether the work is done in the present, past or future. When the work is done, to show that these tenses are used. Here you see few examples are given. Let's go through this. He cooks. He cooked yesterday. He will cook tomorrow. Here you see the verb cook is used in three different forms. In the first sentence it is used as cooks, and in the second one it is used as cooked, and will cook in the third sentence. So here when it is used he cooks, it tells he cooks every day, or he cooks today, or he is going to cook. So that shows the present time. That shows the present time. The verb cooks shows the present time of the action. So it is called present tense. And here in the second sentence, he cooked yesterday. He cooked. Cooked is the verb, and it shows the work done yesterday. The work it is done yesterday. That means in the past. So the verb cooked, it shows the action that is done yesterday or in the past. So that is past tense. Okay, and he will cook tomorrow. So here will cook, it shows the action of future time. Will cook shows the action of future time. He will cook when? Tomorrow. Future. We are talking about future. So will cook represents the time of future. So there are three different tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense. Present tense is used to talk about the actions of present time. Past tense is used to talk about the actions that are done in the past. Okay, already completed actions. We use already completed actions are used in past tense. And future tense, the future actions. We talk about the future actions, those which will be done. Okay, in the future time. So that is future tense. These are the three different tenses. And we can also change the verb. That's what we learned here. Cook, cooked, will cook. We can change a verb from the present tense to the past tense. Verb forms they are called. So here you see in present we use bring or brings, and past it becomes brought. Walk, walked. Talk, talked. I wrote a letter yesterday. So here the word wrote, it represents past time. Okay, I wrote. Wrote represents the verb of past tense. Okay, and write. I will write a letter. So that shows future time. I will write a letter. Will write, it shows the future time. Okay, he writes letters. So writes, he writes. Writes, it shows the present time. It shows the present time. Okay, and now verbs are also used with ing forms. Okay, he is writing a letter. For example, you see, he is writing a letter. So here he is writing. So verbs are used with ing form also. In present, all the continuous tenses. He was writing a letter. Okay, he will be writing a letter. So verbs are used with ing form also. Here you see come, coming. Here there is a change in the spelling even. C-O-M-E, come, and this E we have we have deleted, we have not written, we skipped this e, coming. So when we add ing form, there will be a change in the spelling even. Jog, jogging. Sometimes the last letter will be doubled. Okay, sometimes there will be no change in the spelling. To some words there will be no change in the spelling, and to some words there will be a change in the spelling. Okay, and now let's move on to the next. And simple present tense and present continuous tense. We are going to learn about simple present and present continuous of present time. Okay, simple present tense is used to refer to habitual actions or universal facts. Simple present tense is used to refer to habitual actions or universal facts. Habitual actions means everyday actions. Those which we do regularly, those are called habitual actions. Okay, he exercises every day. Snakes crawl, that is universal fact. The earth revolves around the sun, these are universal facts. He drinks milk every day. He goes to school regularly. All these are habitual actions. Okay, so in this tense we use the present form of the verb with s or es. Okay, and present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about an action that is going on at the time of speaking. Now what I am doing? I am teaching you tenses. Okay, so it is used to refer to the actions that are going on at the time of speaking. Now, okay, so it is raining. Now it is raining. The students are playing. So we use this with is, am, are plus verb plus ing form. So is raining is the verb used in present continuous. Are playing is the verb is used in present continuous. Okay, so here is a small exercise. Let's go through this. Rewrite the sentences in the present continuous tense. Okay, my father cooks lunch for my friends. Here it is given in present tense. My father cooks. Cooks is there. Cooks is used in simple present tense. Now you have to write it in present continuous tense. So how would you write? So present continuous means we add is or a or are. Here is, am and are. Okay, plus verb plus ing form to be added. So my father cooks lunch for my friends. My father is cooking lunch for my friends. Cooks became is cooking in present continuous tense. In the same way, my family walks in the park. Walks, it should be changed into is walking. Okay, hope it is clear, students. Is walking. So to change the tense, we change the verb to show the variations in the time of the action. When the action is done, we change the verb accordingly to the time. So present tense cooks, present continuous is cooking. My family walks in the park. Present tense, simple present tense, my family is walking in the park. It is present continuous. Okay, Amaya walks to the library. Simple present tense. Amaya is walking to the library is present continuous tense. Hope it is clear, students. Thank you for now.